Hello guys, so welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you a platform that you can make money from every single day, guys. So you can make money with this platform without even doing anything. What you have to do is just to buy and sell. It's very simple and you'll be earning with the bonus they give you on the platform. So just watch this video to the end and I will show you how you can earn money from this platform every single day without even depositing. You can also earn more by depositing, but if you don't have the cash to deposit, you can just use the free plan and you can withdraw without depositing. So let's watch video to the end and I'll show you how it works, guys. So this is my channel, crypto update and reviews. I drop legit updates on how you can make money online. You can also check my WhatsApp group. I drop daily updates on my WhatsApp group also. So let me show you the platform that is paying and the one that have stopped paying. You can see this total global. If you are one of my subscribers, you will know that I mentioned that this platform is paying for free, but I think today, which I'm making this video, they have stopped paying for free. What you have to do is to deposit and withdraw, but I won't advise you to deposit. But I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just trying to give you some advice. And also remember the golden rules of online marketing: always risk what you can afford to lose. So let me show you. This to do is it's still paying, but you have to deposit, but I won't advise you to do it. So this platform is still paying USDT. This cube hash is still paying. Metadata is no longer paying. D-Miner is still paying very well. Antpo is no longer paying. If you register on Store SEO under me, Store SEO is still paying, but they closed the sites few days ago, but they have opened the sites again. So you can check. You can chat me up on WhatsApp and I will show you how you can get back your account and how you can get back your funds, guys. So my upline have gotten their funds on their account, so I can show you how you can also get yours. So just message me on WhatsApp. The link will be in the description. Join my WhatsApp group, then hit me up on my page and I will walk you through how you can get your accounts. So this platform that dropped today, guest tab, is still paying and you can also make money with it for free without depositing. Just watch the video and you'll see how it works. So let's dive into the platform for today and how you can make money every single day, guys. So this is the platform of today. It's called BigMarket.shop. The link is also in the description. Just click on the link, it will take you to this register form. So what you have to do is to click on putting your username, your email address, then the country you are from. And this platform works, I think, solely in Nigeria. So you can put your number right here, put your phone number, your password, and type in the password. Once you click on these terms right here, you click on register. Once you register, they will take you to a new form where you put in your account number and your bank name. So what you have to do, once you have done it, you'll be fully registered. So please take note, you cannot create more than one account on this platform. So I've created my account already. Let me log in and I'll see you inside my dashboard, guys. Okay guys, this is my dashboard. So you can see I'm currently having 457 naira, but if you sign up with my link, you'll be having 2000 naira, guys. So once you have that 2000 naira, if you want to top up your account, you have to add 3000 to it to make it 5000. Then I'll show you how you can do that in a minute. Let me just show you how you can earn for free first. So once you have that 2000 naira, you will see you have 2000 naira. What you have to do is to come to this product bundle right here. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, just wait for a bit. Then you see that I'm currently at 2000 naira bundle. So what you have to do is to, since you have 2000 naira, you click on buy now. Now is showing your bundle because I'm currently using this bundle. So what you have to do is to click on buy now. Then you have to confirm. You click on confirm. But if you are using this 5000 naira bundle, you click on buy. So you have to buy the bundle. Then once you are bought the bundle, you go back to your menu. Then what you have to do is to click on sell. You click on sell right here. You can see that they show data not found because I've already sold my product for the day. So what you have to do is you will see sell, then you will see two people that are ready to buy your products. Then you click on sell. Then you will sell your the product to them. Then you get your cash in your dashboard. So the money will reflect right here in your dashboard. So what you have to do after you have done that, you keep repeating this process every single day. If you're on the free plan, you'll be getting 200 I get 250 naira. Yes, you'll be getting 250 naira every single day per the product you so yourself. So then you can also maximize your profit by referring your friends to this platform, and also um telling them how to activate their bundles by just clicking on this what is it called, this product bundles. Yes, once you click on the product bundles, then you buy a plan, then you sell every single day, you sell. So let me show you how you can top up. If you want to add more funds to your account, you click on top up right here, you add 3,000 to it to make it 5,000. Once you have done that, for example, let me just show you. You click on 3,000, you click on deposit, just wait for them to give you the information. You see that this is the first detail, the second detail, so you have to copy the account number, then the bank name is Wema. So once you have sent the money, you put screenshot it and put the file right here. Then once you have done that, you enter the name, your full name, which you use to send the money. So you click on submit, then your money will reflect in your account. So that's how you just top up. The minimum top up is 3,000, because the minimum bundle, the minimum plan is 5,000, but they give you 2,000, so you have to add um 3,000 to it to make it 5,000. So you can also do that. Once you are done, you click on buy now, you buy this plan, they will be receiving 460 naira every single day, guys. So you can check the plans there, but I will advise you risk what you can afford, guys. So that's the golden rule of online marketing: risk what you can afford. So this is the 5,000, this is the 10,000. Just go for the plan you are suitable with. So that's how you get your plan. So every single day you'll be selling your product every single day, and you'll be making your profits. So the minimum withdrawal is about 2,600. So once you want to withdraw, you click on your withdraw button right here, then you put your bank. This is the bank you are sending it to. Then put 2,600 if you have that, then click on withdraw. You can see I don't have that. You can see that. So you have to put, if you have up to 2,600, you can just activate it, then you place withdrawal. That's just it. It's very easy, guys. So you can check the market. Let's see what this market is all about. So you can see, okay, this is the plan. This is where you get the plan. So you come to your profile. Then if you want to refer your friends, you scroll down, you see referral program. You click on the referral program, you see your link, you copy it. That's it. So you can earn for this platform for free, guys. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Say subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. Join my WhatsApp group, and also message me if you have any question regarding this video, and also about store SEO, guys. Store SEO is still paying, and they are still running. The platform is really going to last, guys. So message me up so you can get your account activated and also get your account funded, guys. So that'll be all for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. And don't forget the golden rules of online marketing: invest what you can afford, guys. So thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Peace.